Hi there, students. Fit for a king. So you describe something as fit for a king. So the meal that my friends gave us was fit for a king. It was really, really, really good. It was to the highest standards. It was so good, so excellent, so luxurious that it was good. It was appropriate for somebody with the very highest standards, a king, for example. Okay, so when I went on holiday, they gave me a hotel room fit for a king. Yeah, it was fit for a king. So we're using this as a simile. It's saying something of such good quality that it's the sort of thing you would offer to a king. It's good enough even for a king. It's really, really good quality. The welcome that they gave us was fit for a king. They were really, really, really nice to us. So fit for a king, opulent, sumptuous, deluxe, gorgeous, grand, lush, luxurious, palatial, regal, yeah, worthy of a king. Okay, so something that's fit for a king. It's just the very, very, very best. He only insists on food that is fit for a king. I think you could probably say fit for a queen as well, or even fit for a prince or fit for a princess. But I think the most common collocation is something that's fit for a king. Yeah. The shoes he wore were fit for a king. They were the very, very, very best quality. Yeah, they were such high quality that they were fit for a king. They were luxurious. Yeah, they were the very best. Yeah, the entertainments were fit for a king. They couldn't have done any better. They excelled themselves. Okay, so something that's fit for a king. So let's see, something fit for a king. I'm going to give this, I think, maybe a 4 in formality. Yeah, fit meaning suitable, proper. Yeah, this word fit comes from Middle English fit, talking about a contestant or an opponent who has equal power to you. Okay, so equal to a king, fit to a king, the sort of thing you would provide for a king. So yeah, I think the quality of the videos in my channel are fit for a king. I'm sorry, I'm boasting again. Yeah, so fit for a king, a meal fit for a king, food fit for a king. The very, very, very best. So enough. If you enjoyed the video and thought it was fit for a king, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fit for a king, the very best.